Alright, so I'm taking a trip down to Miami today. I'm gonna try to hit a mall and get some equipment for this camera so I don't have to hold it with my hand. Oh yeah, and I do want to show you guys this real quick. A couple days ago, I spray painted my car. I did a new trim color. I want to show you guys. It's now a flat black on the trim all around. I think I did a pretty decent job. So the only things, I used a little bit of acetone to get rid of some overspray, and it ruined the whole rear of my car. So, oh look, I see buildings. I see buildings. Guys, there's a boat. There's a boat on a boat. Oh my God, this place is beautiful, man. I don't know where I'm going, but I don't even care. We got the water. This is crazy. It's the ultimate feeling. You got me with that feeling so gifted. Alright, so I finally found a parking spot. It took me 22 minutes, but I did it on my own. This is crazy. Look at this place. We got things there, things here, colors there, tracks here. It's nuts. So I crossed this bridge that I think would be a really cool spot for maybe a picture or something. I'm gonna go check it out. Look at it. I've never seen a building in my life. Damn. All right. It's real. Yeah, that's a real one. That's definitely not from Walmart. I don't know what the hell's going on here, but it ain't right. Guys, I'm going crazy right now. I don't even know what to do here. There's buildings everywhere. That do go up there and do things. This is nuts. This is, I love it. Look at the water. Like, it's straight Kool-Aid. It's Kool-Aid. Alright, so I think tonight, hold on. I think tonight I'm gonna try to find a car show to go to and bring you guys along. So I found this website. It tells me all the car shows within like a 20-mile radius. They usually start around 5 o'clock, so I gotta find one soon if I do find one. But there's bound to be one here. I mean, there's a lot of people. I know you guys can't see that, but there's like a lot of things happening around me right now. So it's definitely got to be one not too far from here. Lovely. Alright, I'm going back to the car because I don't know where I'm going. And I'm trying to find somewhere to eat right now. But the problem is I don't even know where the hell I am. So I guess that don't really matter. Oh my God, it's a hurricane. Ooh, ooh la la, la la. Ooh, what you? Ooh. Okay, just refilled on some gas, and I'm gonna try to drive over this bridge. I wanna race this Maserati. I wanna race him. But there's cops. Alright guys, check out the moon right now. Look at that. Alright guys, so I just drove past the only car show I could find and it looks like there's not really too good of a turnout. It's like 2 people from what I could tell, and I don't really want to do that. I just stopped, got some gas, and I got some of these snacks because they're so good. So yeah, I'm exhausted. On the way here, traffic was horrible. So this is a really cool shot, but I'm out of focus.
Mustang. Ooh, close. I don't know. What about the Hyundai one more time? What do we think? Mustang? You know what? Y'all are all winners in my book. Y'all sound great. Thank you again for coming out. On the count of 3, I want to hear all 3 cars together, and I think there might be a Super hanging out over there or something. I don't know. Just a rack of shit. Let's hear it.